Arkadaşlar, arabalar gitti arkadaşlar. Arkadaşlar arabalar gitti. Arkadaşlar Mezitli'yi götürdü arkadaşlar.
La ilahe illallah, la ilahe illallah.
Kuyruk yolu. Ve aşırı derecede su deli gibi geliyor hala.
Heavy rainfall in Adana and Mersin, as warned by the meteorology department, has led to flooding. While cemeteries in the cities were submerged, streams overflowed, roads turned into lakes, and homes and businesses were inundated. It was noted that the effects of the rainfall could continue intermittently in the cities where daily life has been virtually paralyzed.
Evet arkadaşlar, yüzerek işe gidiyorum.
After the warnings from the General Directorate of Meteorology, heavy rainfall that was effective in Adana and Mersin in the morning hours caused flooding. Due to the flood, which negatively affected daily life, cemeteries were submerged, streams overflowed, roads turned into lakes, and homes and workplaces were flooded.
Şu an araçlar gidemez halde.
In Mersin, heavy rainfall was effective not only in the city center, but also in the districts of Tarsus and Erdemli. Pedestrians and drivers caught unprepared by the rain experienced difficult moments. While many streams overflowed due to the downpour, streets, agricultural lands, homes, and workplaces were flooded. As the rainfall lost its effect, municipal teams began working to drain the water. The heavy rain that started after midnight in Mersin caused floods and water overflow throughout the city. As some roads were closed to traffic due to the overflow of stream beds, many homes and workplaces were flooded. The heavy rainfall in Mersin city center and its districts negatively affected life, with the overflow of Mezitli stream in the Mezitli district and Tes stream in Deniz neighborhood. Water floods occurred in the surrounding area. As the stream bed overflowed, Gazi Mustafa Kemal Boulevard was submerged, and the road was temporarily closed to vehicle traffic. Due to the water overflow, many homes and workplaces around the stream were flooded. Some parked vehicles were also damaged due to the flood. Municipal teams dispatched to the area began water drainage and cleaning operations. It was learned that the teams continued their work to eliminate the negative effects in the areas affected by the flood. A 79-year-old elderly man living alone in a detached house in the old Umerli neighborhood experienced difficult moments due to the heavy rainfall. After the rainwater flooded his house, the situation was reported to the security teams. Police teams rushed to help the elderly man, who had been living at the same address for about 27 years.
Durumda aşağıdaki araçta ve evlerde mahsur kalanları tahliye ediyoruz.
The teams that arrived at the scene intervened in the flooded area and ensured the safety of the elderly man. First, the police drained the water from his house with a shovel, and then they drained the water from his garden as well. The police teams, who got wet in the falling rain, saved the elderly man's house from flooding. It was stated that the homeowner only occasionally came to the house, while the elderly man had been staying here for shelter for many years. It was learned that the bridge located in Dagley neighborhood collapsed due to the excessive rainfall and could not withstand the floodwaters. While there were no casualties in the flood disaster, it was reported that material damage occurred. Due to the rainfall, a school in Karjikak neighborhood was flooded. Additionally, it was noted that a part of the Alata Horticultural Research Institute was also affected by the flooding. The floodwaters negatively affected transportation in the district center and its surroundings, while some vehicles were trapped in the water accumulations on the roads. Authorities warned that the rainfall could continue to be effective from time to time and advised citizens to be cautious in areas at risk of stream beds and flooding. In Adana, dozens of graves were submerged due to the overflow of the canal near the cemetery after the heavy rainfall. The downpour that has been ongoing since last night is negatively affecting life in the city. The canal in Buruk Cumhuriyet neighborhood of Sarifam district overflowed after the heavy rainfall. As a result of the flooding, dozens of graves in Buruk Cemetery near the canal were submerged. During the heavy rainfall, streets and avenues turned into lakes, while images of citizens continuing to play games despite a coffee house being flooded became a trending topic on social media. The heavy rainfall that has been affecting the city since last night has caused flooding throughout the city, while streets and avenues were submerged. Some citizens were stranded in their vehicles. In the central Saridam district, many buildings, gardens, and ground floors were flooded. In the Harkapare neighborhood, a citizen who was stranded in a puddle while driving got out of the vehicle holding their child. Similarly, in the Kilidli neighborhood, a car that was traveling on the road tipped over as it could not continue in the accumulated water. Meanwhile, many homes and businesses in the city were flooded.